Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to pre-move in chess.com. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go to chess.com, and if you are using a mobile, it will be just the same steps. So first thing that you will do is simply go to settings over here, and now a pop-up will show up, and just simply go ahead and go to all settings. So guys, so from here, you should be able to see here live chess on the fourth one. So click on that. And from here, guys, as you can see, we will have here enable pre-moves. So from here, just simply turn this on. And after that, just simply scroll down and make sure to save it, guys, to apply the changes. And as you can see, once you are done, you can just simply go to play. And let's say I'm going to go for bots. So guys, from here, just simply click on start. And after that, just simply play your move. And if you want to pre-move, just simply right click on a piece. And after that, you should be able to create some pre-moves. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.